98% of the instrumentation in the world is made in Pakistan. Okay. What happens is the processing. So if you use a good steel, after that is basically the pores of the steel is what's important. Rust always comes from inside. Corrosion can happen because you just have water there or you just have solution there. That's the fault of usually the sterilization person doing that. Rust is, if the steel is good, it won't have rust, right? Germany owns that really because they have forging mills and they have these places where they're basically getting steel kind of made over there. Is to the next level. So their steel is really good. US steel is good. A lot of companies in Pakistan is cost.
Right.
Okay.
Well, they're
I mean,
serving different
and
markets.
there's several, so exactly. And what it is what processing you're doing. So all depends on processes, the passivation, the finishing. If the faster you finish the product, or the faster you cool down a product, you're gonna have problems. You're gonna have pores out of that. And it's the bottom line is like, it's honestly, it's the process and the company who owns that, and we, because we control that, we stand behind it. And all the TBS instruments are lifetime warranty. If anything happens to them ever, you send them back to us, we give you new ones. And you guys have been using it for a while now, you guys have been testing it for a while, and we take pride in it. But it's just that, the steel that you're using and the process that you're doing.